I officially monetized my YouTube channel, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a breakdown of how much I made. I wanted to say in the past month, but technically it's been 6 weeks since I have been monetized, so I'm gonna base all of this on the past 6 weeks. I monetized the last week of February, I had all of March, and now it's the first week of April. I think it's April 6th. So yeah, let's get into it. So a bit about my channel. I'm a small creator. I've actually had this channel for about a year now. Not quite, but almost a year. And I didn't think to monetize it. I just didn't think, I didn't think to. So technically, you only need 1,000 subscribers. I got my first 1,000 subscribers within the first 2 months or 3 months maybe of me being on here, because one of the first videos, it didn't go viral. It ended up getting like 15,000 views in the first month or two that it was. So I got 1,000 subscribers from that one video. And then I've kind of just been making the odd video here and there, not really putting too much effort into it. Just like when I had an idea or an update, I wanted to sit down and update you guys. When I became monetized, I had 31 videos and just over 2,000 subscribers. And I was late to the game. I could have been monetized for like months now, but I didn't. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't, because I didn't really realize how much money you actually can make on YouTube. That's my fault. I just never really looked into it. So if you are looking into it, good for you. Start your YouTube channel today, because it's definitely worth it. Although I do have 31 videos, only 3 of them really were making any money. Almost all of my videos are not eligible to be monetized because they are try-on hauls or content that YouTube doesn't really feel should be eligible for monetization, which is totally fair. Again, I wasn't really looking to be monetized on YouTube. Now that I realize that you can make good money on YouTube, I'm gonna be changing the game a little bit. So I'm gonna change my niche. I'm gonna start making videos that are, you know, a little bit more content that is eligible to be monetized. How YouTube decides to pay you is they pay you through Google AdSense. So you do have to first become monetized on YouTube. You need a minimum of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and then you can apply to be monetized. Once you're approved to be monetized, you have to make a Google AdSense account and connect it. So technically you're paid through Google AdSense. If you download the YouTube Studio app, you can get an estimated amount of how much Google AdSense is gonna pay you for your ads, but it's not exact. And basically at the end of the month, you'll get the real revenue posted to your AdSense account. So on YouTube Studio, you can also see how much you're gonna be making per 1,000 views. In the past couple of weeks, I've uploaded 3 new videos. Since I've uploaded those 3 videos, my revenue has actually doubled just in the past 2 weeks, and I'm not really sure why. I uploaded a fitness vlog video and like a product review video as well, which are not really in... I'm gonna be doing more fitness videos, but that's kind of a little bit outside my niche. Usually I do try-on videos. My try-on videos are not monetized. And then my sit down and talking videos like this, some are monetized, some are not. So in the past 2 weeks, my revenue per 1,000 views actually doubled. It went from $1.63 to $3.89 per 1,000 views. And I believe it's because of the fitness video that I uploaded. If you go on Google, you can look up the top paying niches on YouTube, and fitness is one of the highest paying niches that you can create content for. So I think I'm gonna start doing a little bit more fitness videos. I always thought that YouTube paid you based on views, and I guess technically they do, but I just thought it was so interesting that only 3 of my videos really were making any money. And they're not even the ones with the highest views. The ones that have the highest views on my channel are not even eligible to be monetized. So that's really interesting. Definitely do your research before you start posting. If you're posting content to be monetized, definitely do your research of what you can post. So if you're wondering what I made just in one single month, technically in the month of March, I made $74.58, and that's US dollars. I wasn't able to break down each video, what I made in March on each video. The whole 6 weeks I've earned so far $102.62. Again, that is US dollars, so it'll be a little bit more in Canadian. I'll let you know what I made per video. Out of my 30 videos, I have less than 10 videos that are technically monetized. So a third of my channel technically is monetized, and half of those videos aren't even making any money. Like there's one that's made 60 cents over 6 weeks. One has made $1.69. So I'm just gonna tell you the top 3 videos. So the top 3 videos, one made $14.75. The second one made $27.51, and the top earning video so far has made $43.33. Just the fact that only 3 videos were monetized and I still made over $100 in my first month, or my first 6 weeks, sorry, $74 in the first month, but only 3 videos were monetized, and that's how much I made. I'm really intrigued. I'm really intrigued, and I'm gonna be putting a little bit more effort into YouTube. So if you are a beginner or thinking about starting a YouTube channel, definitely take this into consideration. Go on to Google what the highest paying niches are on YouTube, pick one, and just go for it. Just start filming. Start recording yourself on your phone, or whatever you want, and just get started, because you never know. You never know. Hopefully you can become very successful. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video interesting. I thought it was really interesting to see that I only really got monetized on like 3 or 4 videos. But yeah, if you are thinking about becoming a YouTube creator, go for it. Get started now. Just start recording. Start recording on your phone, upload some videos, and get yourself monetized, because you never know. You never know. I feel like this could be a really good thing. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.